Star, I am so frustrated. I just left an event at my local chamber of commerce, and there were two people that were interested in my voice AI. In fact, there was one lady that was ready to buy on the spot. She was actually ready to sign up for my services, and I had no way to take a payment from her. Did you know that you can use the free high-level mobile app as a POS system? Let me show you how to use it. We actually have several payment integrations that you can use to integrate directly into the software. This will allow you to take payments in live time on our POS system. So I want to point out several of the payment integrations that you're able to use with our system. Stripe, Authorize.net, NMI, and Square. You'll see an option to connect in. So go ahead and select the payment integration that you'd like to connect with. In this case, let's go ahead and click on Square. Once you get over here to Square, you'll go ahead and click Connect. And then you're going to just go ahead and sign into your Square account and continue the process. Now you'll have your payment provider integrated directly into the system. Now I'm going to show you how to use the POS system on your mobile device. Okay, so you're just going to want to make sure that you download the high-level app on your mobile device. Once you open up the mobile app, you're going to see a $sign right at the bottom in the middle. Go ahead and tap on that. And here you're going to have your POS system. You have the option of actually using the keypad to manually enter a price point. And you can go ahead and click on item details. You can name that custom item. You can add a description, quantity, and again, you can update that price point and just go ahead and click update. You also have the ability to use our catalog. So with the catalog feature, you'll see all of the products that you already have listed inside of your CRM. So we'll go ahead and select the product that we want to add, and we're going to also add this to our transaction. So you'll see at the bottom now there's an update. It says review 2 items. I'm going to go ahead and click that blue button. Here you can see that I have 2 items along with the total. You can actually add the customer here by selecting the customer, by clicking the plus sign, and now the customer has been added to this transaction. You can add a discount by clicking the add discount button, and you can actually use a percentage, or you can actually use the dollar amount. You can also add in a payment schedule. Just go ahead and click add payment schedule. Let's suppose that you want to split this up. You can go ahead and put in the amounts that you want for each of them along with the due date. And additionally, if you want to add another payment date, you can do that as well. So in this case, we're just going to go ahead and charge them in live time. So you'll see the blue button at the bottom says choose payment instrument. Let's go ahead and click on that. Here, you have the ability to accept cash. You can actually use cards that are already on file. You can take manual payments by card, check, bank transfer, or other. You can convert to an estimate or convert to an invoice. Now, this feature is the one that I love because when you're at events, you want to move very quickly, and so do the people who are going to be there. You'll see this tap to pay feature that's going to pop up in live time, and all they have to do is tap their card on your mobile device. How cool is that? So go ahead and start using the POS system so that you can collect payments on the go.